In this video, you will learn how to turn off Safe Search Mode in Google. So if you want to turn off Safe Search Mode in Google on iPhone or Android, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to turn off Google Safe Search Mode. In order to turn off Google Safe Search Mode on iPhone or Android, what you have to do is you have to first of all open Google app, or you may also go to any web browser and then visit google.com inside the web browser. After that, you have to ensure that you are logged into the Google account for which you want to turn off Safe Search Mode. So tap on sign in and then log into your Google account. And once you have signed into your Google account, next you have to simply scroll all the way down, and there you will find the option for settings. Tap on settings and this will open up these options, and among these you have to simply go to search settings, and that will load the Google search settings where we will turn off Safe Search Mode for Google. Here you can see under content there is Safe Search which has filtering on. So we will tap on this and then this will open up the interface where we can turn off Safe Search. And here we get three options. If you have selected filter, then that means the Safe Search Mode is completely turned on, and this will filter everything like explicit images, text and links. And further, if you select blur, then that will blur explicit images, and this is the moderate version of Safe Search. And finally, if you tap on off, that will turn off Safe Search and you will browse web without any restrictions in Google. So just keep it off and that will turn off Safe Search Mode in Google. And by the way, this turns off Google Safe Search Mode on your account level. So even if you are browsing through Google app, then also this should reflect the change inside that. Just in case if you are doing it in Google app, then you have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you can tap on Safe Search, and there you can ensure that the changes are reflecting here. So you can see we have turned off Google Safe Search Mode here as well, and that is because we had made changes inside the google.com here in the browser. So this way you may turn off Google Safe Search Mode on iPhone, iPad or Android. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn off Safe Search Mode on iPhone so that you may browse web without any restrictions, then tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.